बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स। उम्मीद है आप खैरियत से होंगे। लेक्चर स्टार्ट होने से पहले हस्बे मामूल आपसे गुजारिश की जाती है कि आप हमारे दूसरे चैनल को ज़रूर विज़िट करें, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद है। उस चैनल में हम इंग्लिश ग्रामर MCQs क्विज़ की वीडियोज़ अपलोड करते हैं। इंशाल्लाह आपको बहुत फ़ायदा होगा। लेक्चर स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, What is the central idea of Keen's essay and how is it related to the title? इसका आंसर है, The central idea of the essay is quite evident from its title, The Importance of Family. The whole essay focuses on this aspect. Keen believes that family is the first line of defense against all the ills of the society. Question number 2 है, Analyze any two paragraphs of the essay, The Importance of Family, and classify the sentences that support the main idea under the headings of definition, example, cause and effect, facts and opinion. इसका आंसर है, Basically all the paragraphs of the essay The Importance of Family have the essence of coherence. Each and every paragraph of this essay has the topic sentence and the supporting details. Let's take the example of the first paragraph. The topic sentence states that the family is the first target of tyrant and utopians. The rest of the sentences are supportive to the topic sentence. Similarly, in the next paragraphs, the author tries to prove that family is the natural school of love. Keen says that men and women should come together and share equal responsibilities. Question number 3 है, What according to Keen is the only revolution that will heal the ills of our society? इसका आंसर है, According to Keen, the only revolution that will heal the ills of our society is the role of men and women that they can play together. They are the ones who can place the creation of rich family life in the center of horizon of our values. This only revolution will help in binding the family members once again with the strong thread of love, care, affection and togetherness. Question number 4 है, Is the thesis of the essay The Importance of Family implied or stated? Explain. इसका आंसर है, The thesis of the essay The Importance of Family is the stated one. Keen clearly explains the importance of family, strong family relationships, the equal responsibility of men and women for nurturing social, cultural, moral, and ethical values. Arguments, examples, opinions, and evidences are used elaborately by the writer to explain his point of view in length to the readers, and this supports the thesis of the essay as well. Question number 5 है, What is the point of the fourth paragraph? What does its contents have to do with thesis of the essay? इसका आंसर है, The point of the fourth paragraph is that once the term economics meant the art of managing household, the terminology is changed under the influence of Industrial Revolution when the word economics stands for the system of production, distribution, and consumption of commodities. The changed terminology casts a negative impact on the family system, and it helps in the degradation of the dignity of the home. The contents of this paragraph are the clear reflection of the thesis of the essay, as it is all about importance of family. Question number 6 है, Keen says we heal ourselves by learning to give to our children what we did not receive. What does he mean? Do you agree? इसका आंसर है, I totally agree with Keen's point of view that we heal ourselves by learning to give to our children what we did not receive. Here, Keen wants to say that if we ourselves were the unfortunate ones to get the loving father or the perfect family system, we should try to become a good father or develop strong family relationships. In this way, we can heal all our past sorrows and pains. Hence, we should try to give to our children what we have longed for throughout our lives.